Small wheels feel twitchy because they generate 60% less gyroscopic stability than road bikes. But fighting the handlebars actually makes it worse. Let's quantify that nervous feeling you get on a folding bike. A 16-inch wheel creates significantly less rotational inertia than a standard wheel, meaning the self-centering gyroscopic force you rely on for stability is virtually absent. This lack of resistance allows for incredibly agile steering, but it also makes speed wobble common above 30 kilometers per hour. Your instinct to grip the bars tightly is wrong. This couples your body mass to the steering axis and amplifies the oscillation. The most critical safety factor is the angle of attack on obstacles. A 5 centimeter bump hits a small wheel at a 32-degree angle, compared to just 19 degrees on a road bike. This kills momentum instantly and creates a pivot point for a crash. To counter this, you must actively unweight the saddle and lift the front wheel much earlier than you think. You cannot roll over debris that a 700C bike would ignore. Finally, due to the shorter wheelbase, weight transfer during braking is violent. Shift your hips behind the saddle before squeezing the lever. It takes the human vestibular system about 14 days to adapt to these new inputs, so don't judge the bike until week 2. Trust the physics, relax your grip, and enjoy the agility.